Hello everyone, I'm Yoshi. I'm from Japan and I'm in Japan now. So, what I want to do is to introduce you to Japan. Because Japan has lots of millions juicy food and juicy dishes. For example, ramen, sushi, sukiyaki, tempura, gyoza, gyudon, wow. Lots of millions juicy food and juicy dishes in here. So, I know you know that, and I know you want to enjoy them. So, I hope you watch it before you come to Japan, and you can enjoy your trip in Japan more. So, let me show you now. Enjoy! Today, I go to Matsuya. Matsuya is one of the most popular gyudon or Japanese food restaurant. Yeah, alright. First, you buy a ticket. Of course, they have English menu. Don't worry about it. So you have to ticket and whatever you want. Alright, they have a lot of menu. This is a combined set. Like a set meal, rice and meat or salad and premium gyumesh. Oh, like gyudon. Wow, a lot of many kind of gyudon they have. Wow, look like delicious. Of course, they have curry. Matsuya is famous for curry. Yeah, look like delicious. And set meals. Wow, what something meat. Wow, meat. Matsuya is meat dishes restaurant, I think. Yeah. Wow, they have hamburger. Wow, look like delicious. Wow. Wow, they have lots of delicious dishes. Alright, what should I have today? Yeah, barbecue beef set meal. Wow, I'm very curious about it. Oh my god, I can choose it. I can choose it. Wow. Alright, today I take this. Oh, this one. This is pork ginger, grilled ginger, 6 sliced pork set meal. Pork ginger. Yeah, of course. They don't accept credit card. I'm sorry. Yeah. Alright, I take the ticket. Yes. Pork ginger is very popular in Japan. Alright, table swirl. Lots of. Alright, this is spicy pepper, red pepper, and this is French dressing for salad. Yeah. Alright, what is this? Oh, this is sesame dressing. Yeah, for salad. Yeah, they have a lot of sauce and salad. This is what? Barbecue sauce. Yeah, barbecue sauce. Definitely. Alright. Oh, what is this? This is ponzu sauce. It's very Japanese. Ponzu is very Japanese. Yeah, and what is it? Oh, soy sauce. Wow, they have a lot of sauces. Wow. Alright, this is kind of barbecue sauce. Wow. Oh, this is of course pickled something. I don't know. I forget it about what's that. Alright. Oh, he's coming. Wow, here they are. Wow, look at that. Miso soup. What's that? Mayonnaise or something? Oh, salad. Wow. It's It's a very great dish. Wow. Alright, today I take a sesame sauce for salad. Yeah, sesame dressing. Alright, I sprinkle a lot. Yeah. Alright, I take it. Come on. Oh my. Wow. Oh. Alright, next. I take up pork ginger. Yeah, look like juicy. Wow. How big this is? Wow. Alright, I need rice. Wow, come on. Yeah, hurry up. Ah, my God. Amazing. They are amazing. Pork, ginger, and rice in my mouth. They have a party in my mouth. Wow, incredible. Alright, next I take a miso soup. Miso soup is very Japanese. Yeah, come on. This is Japan. Alright, and what's that? This mayonnaise? I think mayonnaise. With pork ginger with mayonnaise. I tried. I think this is nice work. Ah, nice. Yes. Alright. I eat everything. Wow, meat, pork, and rice, and pork ginger rice, and miso soup, very Japanese, and salad. This is very good dish because meat and salad and miso soup, they are good for your health. Very good for your health. Oh my God, I eat everything. Thank you, Matsuya. You are good. How was that? Do you like it? I think it is very nice. Try it. Alright. If you like it, please leave thumbs up and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Have a good day.